Here's the other side of the logo of the truck doors. We're gonna put a door logo here on this door. We've got the tools that we need: tape, squeegee, tape measure, knife, cleaning tools, tape, and obviously our graphic. So let's put it on. First of all, we need to clean the door, obviously. Clean paper towel or rag. Wash the area really well. Go further than you need to be clean, so anything you touch is not going to get dirty. And you got a clean rag when you're done. Set that to the side. Set your logo up on here. Okay, now from the other side, we've got our measurements. 9 3/4 up, 2 inches over to the handle. So we'll adjust this, grab our tape measure, go 2 inches to the handle, check. 9 3/4 inches up, which is there. Put that tape. Let's go up to there, 9 3/4. There, check. Double check this. Measure twice, cut once. Good, good. Okay, that's in place. So that green line is our straight square line. This is arched and this is round, so it's kind of a hard decal to put on. I find the simplest way is go off of your straight line. I showed you that on the last video. I'll show you a different way. Take your tape, make one piece there and one piece here. These are to line things up so you get them correct and straight. We'll throw one there and we'll throw one here at the top. So you have one piece, edge, 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 okay? Don't need this. Now, from the top, we're gonna take our squeegee. I'm gonna use the felt side because this is the actual product. There's no transfer tape, there's no tape over the top of it. So I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna adjust where that gets cut. You see there's a cut line right there. Okay, so that goes just like that. Now I'm gonna take this and fold this down. Take my squeegee, hold right there. Throw that piece away. Felt side. You line that up, make sure it lines up. You peel that tape off. All done. Squeegee that down. Go around your edges really well. Now you're going to take the center tape off. That sticks really well. Okay. Center tape off. Let's see if I can do this side. Okay, now you can take your knife. Make sure you're not cutting directly on paint. And just trim you a little line right there. Now you know where it lined up. Okay, that's what I meant. Peel that up, peel it past. What I mean is past where your cut line is. Peel that back, hold it. So only half of that vinyl adhesive is exposed and these edges aren't flapping around. Felt side of the squeegee. Apply. Middle, out, middle, out, middle, out, all the way down. You're gonna get to that area where those tight points come in. So you wanna kind of push that vinyl out that way. And you see a little bubble right there. Push it that way, perfect. Push that one that way, perfect. Peel this, exposing the rest of your adhesive. Oh snap. Peeling that back and making sure that doesn't tear inside and the wrinkle we had right there gets pulled out. This gets pulled off. Okay, so now we have a dip in the mold of the door. So I want to push any air going that way. So I'm going to peel this up, exposing all that adhesive. I'm pushing down and pushing out at the same time. Down and out, down and out. The vinyl here is an Orajet made by Oracal, 3551 RA with Pro Slide, which is designed for high-end graphics and vehicle wraps. And if you have a bubble in it, it has a air egress Pro Slide type of material that pushes the vinyl out, and the air bubble will release, allowing that vinyl to lay flat, flat, flat. Grab all the material from your install, throw all that away, take your paper towel, give it a little spray, clean that off, any fingerprints. And there's room underneath for any US DOT numbers, truck numbers, city, state, phone number, any of that. So there you go. Thanks for watching MHC Sign and Design.